So today's not going to be your typical build video that I have normally done on YouTube. I just haven't been able to get to it. I did actually build some Buck 113 sheaths, and I've got those for sale on my website, but you've already seen me do that, so I did it off camera. It's so much more efficient when you're not filming, so I apologize for that, but it allowed me to get 9 of those done. And part of the reason I wanted to do today's video is not to create a viral YouTube extravaganza. I'm just going out on a hike because the weather's nice, and I'm using this as a chance to kind of update you guys, give you a chance to see those 3 sheaths that I built, 3 styles. I built 9 of them. I'm curious to find out which one is the most popular, because I've had requests for all 3 different types of sheaths, and I'm doing this as a bit of an experiment to see which one sells out first. But I thought, you know, I do a lot of build videos. I haven't had a lot of time to do that lately. I'm just trying to keep my head above water right now, to be honest with you. So I might as well grab the camera and go out on a quick little hike. I really needed to get out anyways. This is like a playground to them. Well, it's a deadhead, but not the one we were looking for. Coyote skull. Looks like the skunk brush is in blossom. The goats like it. You know, it almost looks like an elk. Maybe just a cow, though. I don't know. Like a cattle cow. Dadgummit. I mean, it looks like an elk. It really does. It's too small to be a cow, unless it's a young cow. It could just be a young cow. But it looks like a cow elk. Just don't normally see them this far down in the desert. I could see it though, in the cold winter. One of them winter killing down in here. Now we got to get up there. I want to get over on those rocks. Let the boys play over there, because I think they'll have a lot of fun. You all right there, Bear? Getting yourself into a pickle. Come down here with us. Attaboy. It's like the play place. So the three styles of sheaths that I made are vertical carry, just kind of the classic fixed blade sheath. Anymore, a lot of them are Kydex with some kind of like a rotatable plastic clip, but as far as classic leather sheaths go, verticals definitely seems to be it. I also made a scout carry sheath, which I made to be drawn with your right hand from your back. Scout carry is where you carry at the small of your back and draw from behind. The other one I made is a pack sheath, which I made back when I made my original Buck 113 sheath video. I made a pack sheath version, just to no belt loop, nothing on there, just to throw in my backpack, throw in my back pocket, take it hunting. You know, it's not so much a need to access my knife right away type of sheath. Just need something to protect the blade. Really low profile, really light. Throw in the backpack type of sheath. So I made 3 of those as well. I'm curious which one you guys think is the best. Depends on the situation, I suppose, but I'm curious anyways, because that might guide my future sheath making. I've got these 9 sheaths for sale on my website, so take a look. Whichever one sells out first, I'll know is the most popular. I got to get these goats back to the truck. Be on my way, headed to Easter dinner. So by the time you watch this, Easter will have come and gone, but I wish all of you the best Easter. And for the few of you who enjoy this and stick with me, I really appreciate it. We'll see where the summer takes me. I've got lots of adventures planned, and I know I have lots of things I want to make. It's just a matter of what I'm going to get to and what I'm going to film. Maybe you can help me decide. As a side note, I absolutely detest that humanity will do that to public land.